say hello to Pinky. Hi, Pinky. Now, you remember what Pinky is, don't you? Yeah, that's right. It's a guitar, but it's a special kind of guitar. It is called a ukulele. Can you say ukulele? Ukulele. That's it, ukulele. And how many strings does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4 strings. And you can also tell because the string is tied down here and then it's stretched all the way up to these tuning pegs, my friends. Yeah, see them? And we have 1, 2 on this side and 1, 2 on that side. Now, what is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, for this song, I'm a Little Teapot, I need my friend, oh hello, to come and join in so that we can do the actions. Are you ready? All right, take it away, my friend. Ready? I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle and here is my spout. And when I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. That's it. Good job. Ready? Now, look out. Here we go. Ready? Look at this. I'm a clever teapot, yes, it's true. Let me show you what I can do. I can change my handle. Oh, very good. I can change my spout. Oh, very clever. Are you following along? That's it. Tip me over and pour me out. Oh, tip me over and pour me out. Oh, tip me over and pour me out. Yes. Good job. Good job, my friends.